tutorial, I want to show you how to create a smart event registration system. Whenever someone fills in the event form, their data will be collected in the Google Sheet. And then an email containing a barcode will be sent to them automatically. This barcode is ready to show at the entrance for quick entry. I think this is a very practical tutorial. Let's see how to create this system. Let's start by creating our Google form. I go to the forms.google.com and create a new blank form. I'm going to call it Event Registration. Now I add two short answer fields, one for the person's name and one for their email address. That's all we need. This will help us to personalize the barcode and send it to the right person. Once that's done, click on the Responses tab and then click the green Sheets icon to link the form to a spreadsheet. This is where all the magic will happen. Inside the Google Sheet, you'll see three columns: timestamp, name, and email. Let's add one more column manually and call it Barcode. This is where the image will be added for each form response. Next, we're going to write a little script that does the work for us. In this spreadsheet, click on Extensions, AppScript. Delete anything that's already there. Now I type the code which will read the name and email from the form, create a barcode using a free barcode API, insert that barcode into the sheet, and email it to the person who filled out the form. Okay, here is the full script. I'll walk you through what it does. What's happening here is we get the latest form response. We personalize the barcode using the name. Then we use the free API to create a real barcode. Then put the barcode image right into the sheet and at the end, send that image in an email to the person. Now we need to make sure this script runs every time a form is submitted. To do that, click on the triggers icon on the left side. It looks like a little clock. Click on plus sign, add trigger. Then choose on Form Submit for event type. Then click Save. It will ask you to review permissions. Just allow everything. This is safe since it's only accessing your form and sending an email. Now let's test the form. I fill up the form with the test name and email. Give it a few seconds. In our sheet, you'll see a new row. And look at column D. The barcode is right there. Let's check our email. And here it is. A nice little email with the barcode image. Now when I scan this using a mobile barcode scanner, it shows Welcome with a name, just like we programmed. And that's it. You learned how to create an automated registration system for your event. The coding part was so easy, but if you need the code, you can find it in the link in the description or in our website. For the next, I suggest you to watch this tutorial that will improve your skills in Google Sheets. If you have any question, ask me in the comments and I will answer all of them. If you like this tutorial, please hit the thumbs up and do subscribe in case you're not subscribed yet. As always, thanks for watching. Have a good time.